Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add spotlight on Snapchat. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure your app is up to date. And after that, you'll be on the camera section of Snapchat. Just tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Your profile page will be displayed on your screen. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of options related to your account. Now just select the add a spotlight and then click a snap and then send it to the spotlight. So this is basically how you can add spotlight on Snapchat. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.